Hello there guys, welcome back to another NIO stock update video. So of course in this one we are looking at NIO because NIO has broken highs for the month. On the 1 month charts we are looking at some decent growth indeed. If we can get a percentage on that, it's up 22% on the past month and things are starting to look good for the stock. On the 5-day chart we're seeing some bullish action as well from the previous low point of $44.38. We have been seeing a lot of growth, we're up massively. Let's get a percentage on that. It's 19% on the past 5 days, so things really are looking good for the stock. On the 1 day we are still up ever so slightly in the green by 3.3%, but things are definitely looking good. And if we are looking at this one on the 6-month chart, of course we had that bit of a bearish signal from a lot of the different analysts because the potential of these stocks getting banned, but things are looking good for this stock in the future. I personally don't think it will get banned in my personal view, but looking at this one, it is basically almost back at the highs that we were seeing around just a few months ago back in November. So things are looking good for this stock, and I do believe there is some potential for the next year. I'm going to be talking about all that kind of good stuff in this video. If it sounds like a plan, please do leave a like and subscribe. You guys already know that we're trying to grow the channel as fast as we can, so it would be massively appreciated. On top of that, if you want to come and join us on Discord, you can, to talk about stocks. The link to the Discord will be down in the description, and if you want to become a channel member, it would go a mile, and of course the link will be where it says join next to the subscribe button. So yeah, before we do enter the video, a few things which I do need to mention. 1, I am not a financial advisor. 2, this is just my opinion. And 3, none of these things are guaranteed to happen. See this video as more entertainment than education, as you do need to do your own research on top of my opinions. But it never hurt to have an opinion, so let's just jump straight into this one. So yeah guys, looking at the charts right now, we can see that NIO stock has been pretty much up massively since August of 2020. We all know why it went up. A lot of different analysts were looking positively and optimistically on this company because we had a lot of different positive buy ratings from a lot of different reputable sources. People were positive on these stocks, things were looking good for the long term, and then of course we had that bearish signal due to the fact that the Chinese stocks could have got a ban from the American stock market. Now of course this one is trading on the New York Stock Exchange, which is the biggest stock market in the world. A lot of different stocks, if not most stocks, are on there. And of course, if these companies were not on there anymore, it would hurt the amount of people that can invest in them. And I think a lot of people got worried with these ones. Now, my personal take on that is, if it was to go offline, off the market, that is, it would take a while. I don't think it'd happen overnight. And for that reason, I would not be too concerned if you were looking to buy this one. But of course, that's just my personal view. But yeah, looking at this one on the 5-day chart, I think it's definitely good that we are starting to see that recovery, and the 1 month does show some strength. Now personally, I actually do have some NIO shares, and I'm personally up $9 per share. That is on a CFD, by the way, if you know what that is in the UK. So things are looking quite decent. I'm pretty happy with that one so far, and I personally do believe that we are going to see this one break new highs in 2021. The main reasons why I believe this is because I personally think this is a solid company. I actually like what the company does, and I think if you're willing to hold NIO for the next 5 to 10 years, I think we are looking at some growth. I think obviously the electric car sector is set to expand in the future, and I think that is going to happen, without doubt. And for that reason, I definitely think that a company like this, with its aggressive, strategy when it comes to selling vehicles, and obviously their great products, could potentially have a lot of room for growth, especially if they manage to get the cars out of China and into a lot of different other countries. I think that could help them as well, but we'll just have to see. Overall, I am positive on NIO. Like I said, I personally do believe it can do well, and that's my personal view. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.